We're going to do a quick little tutorial for the Classroom Core app's EasyGrader tool. It's one of the first tools that we created for classroom teachers and one of our most used features. So once we jump inside the EasyGrader, it's very easy to start. We're just going to enter a number of questions that we want to calculate the scores for. We hit the Calculate Grades button and we get this screen here. And if you scroll down, you will see we've put a color gradient to divide out these rows so they're easy to read. On the left hand side you see the number of wrong or number of questions missed. On the right hand side the number that would be correct, and in the middle we calculate out the percentage grade and assign a letter grade for each one of those. And so this gives you the flexibility to grade however you want. We've also provided some of the tools up here at the top. You see the plus and the minus buttons. If you want to go through and grade individually, you can just hit the plus or minus button and it will calculate a score there underneath the score button. Or you can tap that field, you can type in the number you want, hit score, and it will calculate out a grade and a letter grade for you. All of these designed to allow you to grade the way that you want. Okay, if we back out and we go back to this screen, we also have a feature that allows you to put in bonus questions. The way the system is set up is that bonus questions are scored just like a regular question, and so essentially you have to miss 5 to get to the 100% in this case. So if you miss 0, it gives you 120%, and then it scrolls down from there. And it's a way that you can add bonus questions. It's easy for you to score. If we look at some of these other features, we'll go up here, we'll tap the gear icon, and it's going to take us to the settings. The first one we have is the number of decimal places. I'm going to tap the 2 on that and set it to score to 2 decimal places. And whenever we hit the back arrow and go back to the screen, you'll see we have 2 decimal places scored out. This is a little bit easier to see if we go back, and we're going to put in sort of an odd number of scores there. And now you can see we scored out to 2 places. Of course, the settings 1 decimal place is just the same. It just scores it out to 1 decimal place. It rounds up from there. If we go back into settings and look some more, one of the other features, this one was specifically requested, is we're going to tap this partial credit slider, and whenever we back out to the screen, it's going to give us half points, or sort of half questions. So it is as if you scored for half a question. And so it'll allow you to score partial credit if they've gotten most of the question right, but still it's technically wrong. Makes that an easy process. And then if you don't like our particular grading scales, you have the option of changing all of these numeric values. One of the easiest ones to demonstrate is because these set a floor. So we're going to hit the plus key and we're going to pretend like we want to have a score for F plus. And so we put in the F and we're going to put in a plus, and we're going to set that as a value of 50. And so now you can see that in here. And whenever we hit the back arrow and we go back, if we scroll down and we go from D minus to F plus. Let's go back in and look at something that's a little more practical. That one's just easy to demo. If we want to remove something, just click the little red X's. It's going to ask you to confirm that. Let's say up here at the top, so in this particular case, 92 is the lowest grade to go from A minus to A. Let's say that we wanted that threshold to be 93. We can remove that. We're going to go in, we're going to set our A at 93. We're going to add it, And now when we go back, we're going to see that it's a little bit difficult to see here with the number of questions that we have, but that is now the new grading scale. That's where it transitions from A to A minus. So that is a quick run through of all the features for the EasyGrader app and all of its functionality. We've gotten good reviews on it, and I hope that it is a useful tool for you in all of your grading needs.